Hey everyone, I'm Josh from Galooli, and today we are going to dive into some myths and facts about energy efficiency for the ICT sector and see if they are solid facts or just myths. Myth or fact number 1. ICT produces the same level of carbon emissions as the aviation industry. Fact. Kind of. In reality, ICT contributes 2% of global emissions, whereas air travel makes up 2.1%. But taking into account the size of each one of these sectors, it is clear that this myth is not accurate. Number 2. Pursuing energy efficiency is only relevant for large organizations. Myth. Any organization, big or small, can reduce its energy costs and improve the durability of energy assets by adopting energy-conscious operating practices. Number 3. Data centers must stay cool to maintain stable operation. Myth. Many data center owners believe that they must maintain a temperature of 20 degrees Celsius, though the actual range is from 18 to 27. For each degree that the temperature is raised, data center operators can reduce the associated energy costs by 5%. Bet you didn't know that. Number 4. ICT enterprises can accurately and remotely track their energy use. Fact. Remote monitoring and management solutions like Galooli's can help provide an in-depth look at your facility's carbon footprint and energy consumption. Even with all the remote assets and sensors, large networks of sites can be visible to managers and stakeholders at all times. Want to learn more about our energy efficiency solution and discover Galooli's platform? Click here and visit our website.